Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, and play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. I'm on my job, I get it done, but you should know that. Shine like a sun, a 101, you should know that. I get the front and in the back, you should know that. No need to stun, it's never cap, you should know that. All I know, 10 toes, never fold, bang roll, on the go, ice wall, ice wall, ice wall. Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, and play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. I miss my baby, so I hit them on the FaceTime. I need it all for them, so no, I cannot waste time. Facing these oceans, feel the water on my waistline. We trust the process and I only know it takes time. You can get it, got no worries, I'm gon' make mine. Going global, I'ma get it out the state lines. Paying taxes at a more than what you make now. Different bracket, eating off a different plate now. For my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, and play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. For my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. In my palm, my girl, she know she the one. I put the ice on her hand, I put some ice on her arm. See me shining in the light, know you found me in the dark. Talking how you wanna leave, girl, you made this far. Taking trips overseas, no, I won't be long. We came up from the weeds, now it's top floor. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress, when I make it stretch. Double back to back then, down broke, now we rich. Spend it on her, let her spin, down with me to the end. That my best friend, that my best friend, that my best friend. I'ma spend it on her, cause she all mine. Spend it on a challenge, cause she all mine. There for my first cake, then we hit 100K. $500,000 on the way, then $1 million on the way. Eating good full plates, eating good, say grace. Eat her up, get thanks, she got cake birthday. I can't waste no way, I can't waste no play. My girl, whoa, whoa, something like the baddest chick. My girl, whoa, whoa, came up from the rags to rich. Hit the road running, I had to tell her I had to get it. She understood, but she spoiled, so when she get mad, she dip. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress, when I make it stretch. Double back to back then, down broke, now we rich. Spend it on her, let her spin, down with me to the end. That my best friend, that my best friend, that my best friend. I'ma spend it on her, cause she all mine. Spend it on a challenge, cause she all mine. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress, when I make it stretch. Double back to back then, down broke, now we rich. Spend it on her, let her spin, down with me to the end. That my best friend, that my best friend, that my best friend. I'ma spend it on her, cause she all mine. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress, spend it on a challenge, cause she all mine. That my best friend, that my best friend, that my best friend.
I've been on ghosts as a kid, now I got a house full of kids. Where I keep when he is sick, keep making that money flip. I've been on ghosts as a kid, 9 guys full of kids. Where I keep winning, you're sick. Keep making that money flip. Way up. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. That went way up. Bend that mouse to feed. I pray that check flow stay up. All of my bros, they been my bros. I'm talking day one. I'm talking day one. Yeah, yeah. Been at, boys. Me and my bros do road, new keys, no deal. We been at toys. Been at checks. Me and my bros trust God on God. I swear we been at next. I've been on ghosts as a kid. 9 guys full of kids. Where I keep winning, you're sick. Keep making that money flip.
Good morning, YouTube. How's everyone doing? All right, let's see. Give me a second, guys.
Me and my bros do road, no keys, no deal. We been at toys. Been at checks. Me and my bros trust God on God. I swear we been at next.
All right, take a look at gold here. See, maybe gold will eventually break out of this range. We got this support here on the daily. Oh, where is it? Got another support here.
You wear a hat they call dad. Me, I'm the dad in a hat. You just like clubbing and clothes. Me, I like afternoon naps. 3 happy meals for the road. My oldest like counting racks. My middle one, she's in a dirt bike. My youngest is just like a mama. The mama loves me and I love her, so if she wants something, it's never a bother. 3 little ladies, my babies, and 1 on the way. Now I'm stressing my mama.
Got resistance here. Let's take a look at the 4 hour here. 4 hour support here.
I got on my bake and my body weight. I stay in the crib like a quarantine. I stay in the crib and I isolate. Making my way, watching demonstrate. I ain't no special, I'm a tidal wave. I came to win, I ain't gonna play. At my own pace and I'm never late. See this rap thing is the new to me.
Support here.
Like 2 or 3. I'll be down as long as it's true to me. Got records, some records that's new to you. But none of these records is new to me. I used to skip class, now I'm tutoring. I was just a team with a GED. On paper was worth like a couple G's. That hustle and work, nothing new to me.
Right. Supply on the 4 hour.
Don't give me what I want, but what I need. DD, that's me. 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 DD, that's.
Another supply right here. Leave it there for now. And we got this support. Back up this demand here. Let's go look at 1 hour. Closed above it there a little bit on the 1 hour. 1 hour demand. we finally have a break out of this range. Day before July 4th. That's crazy. Right. Had a minute demand here. Doing buys from 23.35. Gonna go fishing now.
Don't care for designer, got her own drip. Don't care for the phones, got her own whip. Don't care for the scenes, take her own trip. Guarantee is for a bag and she walking. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Sweet Jesus, I just up the price for the features. I can see the fakes and the leeches. I begin to assist a fetus. Pull up on the spot, Times Square. Got her in my passenger, I told her grab the wheel. Friends hating, told her get out, Jordan Peele. But she rocks with me cause she real, for real. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk.
Good morning. Good morning, Martinez. You're loving gold this month. We've had two weights and one loss on it this month. The second loss for us this month was NAS. No matter how crazy gold could be sometimes, in the long run, it's still a good pair to trade. She has her moments. Did you catch any trade yesterday? You mean down in New York? We took gold trade. Right. We took a buy right here, anticipating this move. But then she came back down, tapped the demand. We had a 30-minute demand here to the left. Tap it again. This candle stopped us out. this crazy candle. Stopped us out, and she's been going up ever since. So that was the buy we took. Stopped us out and went up. Nas, on the other hand, we took it right. No, we took sell right here. Let me move this demand. We took a Nas sell right here. And of course, we got stopped up. So those are the two trades we took on Nas. Nas, we were completely wrong. Gold, on the other hand, we're not wrong. I guess you can say we got in too early. I still didn't think we got in too early though, but it is what it is. You move on. Good morning. Spring. Double cup my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I been counting money, no sheet. I get to it up in my seat. Shorts had chain when the money came. Money been here, I'm getting money back. See if we're gonna get any volume this session. I be counting 30 by 30. Drop top doors go vert. SRT go skirt. Lady like a bub and sin. I handle the business, then I get love in Europe even. Boss so hard I used to play. I'm never giving up. You roll like a semi-truck. Say what I'm saying, yeah, you're a parrot now. Yankee on my head, I guess that I think that I'm Derek, huh? Love when the celly go ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flowing, no sink. Spring. What's my bias for the day? Oh, I didn't talk about that. Sorry guys, like I just woke up like maybe like an hour ago. So, but anyways, my bias is bullish because now we've finally broken out of this range between 23.39 and of course 23.18. So now that we've broken above, all we need to see is price come back to a level of demand. So we pretty much just need, so now that we've broken above, we pretty much just need price to come back, and then we look to take buys, anticipating a break of structure, and then continuation like that. So I am anticipating buys today. At least until we get a clean range here. We could reject the 4-hour supply, or we could reject the 15-minute. So until we get to those levels right there, I'll be looking for buys. Where prices are right now, we have about 135 pip range. Is it? No, wait. What did you say? 1,000? Ah. Range is that big? We're 100. Now that we've broken out of this range, hopefully gold just don't continue to go and go and go and go. She's been doing that lately.
changes, not damage. World on my shoulders while I'm standing. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, work as a team. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, we going green.
I'll be right back.
Next to you, only wake up if I'm next to you. You extra too, I socialize with some extra too. X and O's, trying to stay on my P's and Q's. Need my boo when I
Can I add indicator call SL breaks and retest by chat prime? Why? Just look at it. Why do I have to look at it? I don't need it. What's the point of me looking at it? Man, this is when gold starts to become annoying, when it breaks and just does not want to pull back.
They tried to count me out, I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account, now I got something to spend. They tried to count me out, I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account, now I got something to spend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I just pull it out and count for nothing when I'm feeling great. Give my baby little more just to spend it. And I'm always on go, I don't hesitate. Used to always know I make it, yeah. I'll be me until I'm in the grave, yeah. See my record, had to set it straight, yeah. I make to kill like 10 times 10. I got wires coming in, some in euros, some in sec, some in dollars, some in yen. I've been trying to keep my zen, keep my cool. Trying to keep the family fed, get my food. They tried to count me out, I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account, now I got something to spend.
count me out. I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account. Now I got something to spend. Did it, do it. I did it all, no gimmicks. I did it all, no fibbing. Now I got all these children. Now I got all these clones. Now I got all you twinning. Now I got all you thinking like all you winning. They tried to count me out. They tried to fill that doubt. They tried to ride my wave. They tried to knock me out. They tried to count my wins. They tried to show my L's. They tried to make me in. They tried, but where they now? Where they? Step in the spot and they stare at me. All of these battles will bear me. I swear that nothing compares to me. Feeling blessed. I won't stress. Beat the odds. You know the rest.
Am I looking for a full retracement? Yes, Dave boy.
Fill up my bank account. Now I got something to spend.
That's what I'm looking for.
They tried to count me out.
You hear hurricane barrel? Where? What hurricane is that?
I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot.
So I take 20 pips during London and 25 during New York. No, not necessarily. Just go take a look at General and take a look at the New York trades. It's not always 25. If you see a 25 TP during NY, just know that stop loss is 50 pips. Sometimes we catch 30, sometimes we catch 40, sometimes we catch 50, sometimes even 60. So it pretty much depends on what the stop loss is, pretty much.
I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I
You might come to the US too, maybe even Texas. That's nice.
say too much. My bros know the deal, they think I play too much. Never miss a miss, yeah, I've been scraping up. Life been moving faster, you should pray for us. Just got a text, so I hit. I don't need designer fits, but I like how designer fit. LV with the Prada mix. This is not a mannequin. You see what I'm standing in. Don't care who I'm standing with. Cause I'ma be me all day. I'ma be me all day. And you can't get in my way. You can't get in my way. I'ma be me all day. I'ma be me all day. You can't get in my way. Yeah. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot.
It's gonna start to retrace now. Well, that's what we needed to do. Usually, now this is just based on my experience and what I've seen most of the time. So usually when gold gives a break of structure, especially when the break is coming after being in a range for a while, it goes up about 30 to 50 pips before it retraces. If it gets to 50 pips and it does not retrace after that, there's a higher chance it's just going to continue. And right now, this is the candle that broke. And if we start from this wick, right now we sitting at 31. So 50 pips. So pretty much if we get to 2346.30 and this thing does not retrace after that, I don't know. We might not get a retracement. This thing might just continue. But we're still gonna wait and see. And looking to the left, this zone here at around 23.43 or 23.45 might give us the retracement we want. So we'll see. We shall see. If it breaks 23.34.5, then it will keep pushing up. Even though we're saying all this stuff, at the end of the day, this will do whatever it wants to do. It can decide to go to 48 before the pullback. It can decide to go to 50 before the pullback. Or it could pull back once this candle closes. I just need to see a pullback, that's all. Especially at least before we get to the 4-hour supply. You're looking for buyers too, Grace? All right.
None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on hold. None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on gold. Cash is digital, digital, digital. The dash is digital, go, go, go. Digital, 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 digital. The cash is digital, digital. The dash is digital, run it up. Digital, 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 digital. Stepping like Marty McFly, stepping I feel like the guy. I got them looking like why, I never doubted me why, I never doubted my guys. You know you in it for win, I stand on 10, you on 10. I don't have friends of a friend, only the fan of the kin. Only my wife and my kids, that's all I needed to win. Now I only trust my true friends, had to cut off my loose ends. You know I win if you win, you know you win if I win. I swipe that cash, don't fold, I swipe my bank on gold. Don't think that I've been dumb, I spend like I've been broke. None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on hold. None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on gold. Cash is digital, digital, digital. The dash is digital. truth, no tricks. I'm trying to feed my kids. I'm trying to keep my wife. I'm trying to live my life while we get rich. My biz, money gon' come, some go.
15 trying to print evening star, but it could be a fake out.
Slide and roll, up and down, but I get up. The numbers crunching, no sit-ups. I grew up and got dripped up. Purple label, my get up. That's 101, not a one and done. Month to month, and there's more to come. I told Cushy, let's run it up. Now it's millions on millions. Yeah, none of my cash can fold. None of my cars are gold. Digital dash on hold. None of my cash can fold. None of my cars are gold. Digital dash on gold. Cash is digital. The dash is digital. Go. Digital. Digital. The cash is digital. The dash is digital. Run it up. Digital. It's a sleeping, I've been up since 6 a.m. Early bird gets the word what it is.
When you said I wanted to pull back, you restricted the buy so you could get that pullback. You could send the photos to prove it.
Early bird gets the word what it is.
Good morning, all.
Birds, they get curved what it is. Okay. I don't frown a lot. No. Lately blessings coming down a lot. They coming down. I see my fam, I can't be down and now. I can't be down and since 17 they tried to knock me down. Don't ever count me out. I could go round for round. Don't need no friends, don't need no one around. I get some blues, I get to thumbing down. It comes to me, don't do no running round. No time for running round. I get upset when things don't go my way. I get upset, but I cannot complain. I save a bag to spend on rainy days. Diamonds for my bay, those type of things. 10 a.m. You're still sleeping, I've been up since 6 a.m. Early bird gets the word what it is. All these birds, they get curved.
Will I be trading NFT live? NFT? You mean NFP?
How could you be stagnant when it's bass thumping? Cushy through
If you're talking about NFP, it's not gonna be on YouTube because it's NY session. So far this NFP week, we've had 2 wins, 2 losses. And there will be no trades tomorrow because it's 4th of July.
Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I know. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I know. You're a step to the money, that's a lay. Take advantage of my time to get a payday. I've been to myself, I've been out the way. If I'm not with the kids, me and Tay. Spend a bag, get a bag, that's a routine.
Yes, it is, Samuel. 4th of July is bank holiday.
Still be on the hoop scene, but I turn hoop dreams to booth dreams. And look, we made it. Still do more numbers than the ones who got famous.
Today is half a day as well.
Cut the system and go bust it down and bake. Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get
So today, NY session pretty much like around 12 p.m. EST. think the market will be closed, and if it's not, it's going to be dead.
Soundtrack the world, got 'em asking who is this? Soundtrack the world, this is really just some biz. Big business and I stand on it. I've been on myself, put some bands on it. No days off, put the time in. Who me? Take a break, didn't plan on it. Take a loss and I'm not stressing it. The money works for me when I invested it. What you step in, not what I'm stepping in. I cannot be dressing up the mannequin. Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I know. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I know.
Good morning, Brian. How you been?
We on the way, we came to play. Yeah, we came to play, we on the way.
That's good.
We on the way, we came to play. Alright now, we came to play, we on the way. Like right now, on the track, man, get it back, man. In the fast lane, with my feet up. Remember bad days, when no cash came. Check the bag, man, see the up. Never bought me, always fresh, had to get it off the reps. Now I'm on a trip with my little ones. Keep it coming, we the best, I can never look a mess. I impressed and I watch the paper still come. We on the way, we came to play. Yeah, we came to play, we on the way. You know, yeah, we on the way, we came to play. Alright now, we came to play, we on the way. Like right now, on the come up, got my funds up, on the 1-1. I believe that, for my loved ones, and my son, I go down, you don't see that. Putting hours like the rest, I'm not saying I'm the best, but I know I never fold when it slows down. Had to get it on my chest, I don't hit the disrespect, do it for the one who knows how it goes down.
Set up to buy. Yeah, we are looking for buys.
We on the way, you know, yeah, we on the way, we came to play. Alright now, we came to play, we on the way. Like right now, I didn't come here to play. I stay away from these lanes. I didn't come here to play. I didn't come here to play. I didn't come here for games. I stay away from these lanes. Me, I just stayed in my lane. Yeah, we on the way, we came to play. Yeah, we came to play, we on the way. You know, yeah, we on the way, we came to play. Alright now, we came to play, we on the way. Like right now. Please fill my cup. Am I really asking for much? It's been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup. Find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good time. And I'm singing like, Lit check, been a minute, let me hit the homies in a group text. 10 years, same team. True vest. Got a couple trophies.
What's the most important skill?
Got a couple cardies, we don't flood with baguettes. It's a very small world, so my hand holds. Wake up, make the money, that's a man's role. Loyalty and love is what I stand for. Can't forget about trust, but first, please fill my cup. Am I really asking for much? It's been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup. Find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good time. And I'm singing like,
So we excuse me, guys. So we're pretty much waiting for, since we have this push to the upside, we're waiting for this and then continuation. Or we could have crazy aggressive selling here and price decides to come back to this 30-minute demand, and then we can take buys from there. But looking at this, we shouldn't go past pretty much this 1 hour demand here.
It's been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup, find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good time. Oh, 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 oh.
What would I say if it... I don't trade FVG or whatever it's called. I'm not an ICT trader or what's it called? SMC, whatever. So I don't know nothing about no fair value gap. I mean, I do know what it is, but I don't use it.
I keep finding myself in these dark rooms, and I don't know how to get out now that I'm not with you.
I don't know if it's just me, but man, as a supply and demand trader, I don't like it when everybody just thinks, oh, if you're trading supply and demand, then you lent from ICT, or you trading ICT way or freaking SMC. No, that's not what I'm doing.
Oh, damn. I should unsubscribe. I thought I was learning ICT stuff here. I'm disappointed.
Gold will melt to 23.17. Inshallah. 23.17. I'm sorry to tell you, but you're dreaming.
Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Baby, you're my biggest problem. Even when the Silverado not starting, and it's early.
You're getting out to buy for it to go back up. It took a long after the 1 hour closure. I caught 25 pips. Your thought was they would go up before coming down to take out the short seller. Will I call that a valid thought? First of all, I don't trade breakouts. Buy at 23.39 and the price will shoot to 23.46 at least. At least one of us will be right. I mean, you're saying it's gonna drop to 23.17. What? No, get on coming down that far. I don't see that happening. You're a supply and demand trader, and your confirmation is trend line and ADR. What does yesterday's news implies? I'm not a fundamental trader. Anything that has to do with fundamentals, I'm the wrong person for you. Technical, yeah, you can come to me for that. Fundamental, no, you gotta look for someone else. Turn this music down.
I'm the one that make a million out the semi. Plus I grinded from the start. I was stacking pennies. I might dip like Machiavelli. After the confetti, who ready? We ready? Who ready? We ready?
Right now we are reacting to, oh, we didn't even tap it just yet. Does that mean I trade doing the news and you don't care about the news? That's not what it means. One live passion.
I am number one, not number two. If I'm not the one, I'm uncomfortable. See the competition, I've been running.
I look at the news, that's all. That's all. I don't know pretty much. Damn, how do I say it? I don't go too deep into the fundamental aspect of trading. I don't go too deep into it. I just look at the news and that's it.
Number two, if I'm not the one, I'm uncomfortable. See the competition I've been running through. Leveled up, I only see him in my rear view. Yeah, I'm ballin', yeah, I'm all in, been ballin'. Yeah, I'm all in, yeah, I'm all in, been ballin'. I'm winning, get buckets from the court side to the nosebleeds, yeah, they love it. I'm winning, get buckets from the first in and the last out, see me coming. Been poppin', sports center from a little I was watching. Spin a bag like I'm Rafa, call that top spin. How could I not win? This is top 10. From the bottom, gotta sniff out the top wins. I sit back, reflect, and do it again. Hardest milli is the first, now we got 10. Talking 10, 10, 10, 10 times 10 and again. I am number one, not number two. If I'm not the one,
Oh man, oh man.
see the competition I've been running through. Leveled up, I only see him in my rear view. Yeah, I'm ballin', yeah, I'm all in.
Welcome, One Life Passion.
Yeah, I'm all in, yeah, I'm all in. Been ballin'. I'm winning, get buckets from the court side to the nosebleeds, yeah, they love it. I'm winning, get buckets from the first in and the last out, see me coming.
Goku decide to create his support here and then continue to go up.
I'm in my element, don't care about relevance. I'm doing me, I'm in my element. We the new delegate, tapping and see. I don't sit and worry about who's on. Back in my bag, there's a new zone. Kettle on my wrist, it's a two-tone. Direct flight out to London. Then might slide out to Lisbon. Crossing borders, getting my stamps up. Travel light, everybody can come. Lay low, I don't want attention.
When you got out of the bar, you enter the cell 5 minutes later. So watch it go up.
Don't care about relevance. I'm doing me, I'm in my element. We the new delegate, tapping and see. I'm in my element, back in my element. 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 I'm in my. This is easy
Yeah.
as a layup. I don't show up.
You need to tell us ahead of time if you're gonna buy or sell so we can fade you.
Why you late up? I can sit around and wait up. I'm gonna have to see it later. Give and
The voice is getting better. It's not as bad as yesterday.
Oh yeah, thanks. Man, I can't believe gold did that to us. Jesus Christ.
Yep, I'm telling you, man. Soon as it stops those out, it just, man, rejected again, and then, man, went all the way up till freaking now.
Yeah.
First in and the last out. Never tried to go the fast route. Marathon, not a race.
At least the analysis we had was, we were right. It's not like we were wrong. Nas, on the other hand, we were completely wrong on that one. Yeah, those type of losses are the most annoying ones. The ones that you took a loss and then right after you lost, the market just started going your way. At least
You're
that's
getting out of your cell. Sorry.
At least that's how I feel. Like if you take a loss, and let's say you took a buy, right? You had stop loss, let's say somewhere here, and then price just stopped you out, but then it kept on dropping. At least you know that, oh yeah, you were completely wrong with your analysis, your entry, and all that. But when you take a buy, and then price freaking stops you out, and then started going your way. This loss right here is the most annoying ones. This one you'll still be mad because at the end of the day it's still a loss. But for me, this one hurts the most. Because I'll just be like, man, even though I understand that it happens, but that doesn't make it better. Yeah, that doesn't make it better. So this one hurts me the most. For me. But
Definitely.
at the end of the day, when you take those losses, there's nothing you can do. You just gotta move on. Are you gonna quit because of that? You gotta move on. And I remember one thing that Gideon said yesterday. Wait a minute here. He said, and I feel like what he said is gonna help a lot of people mentally. He said, when he takes a trade, he already sees it as what did he say again? Damn, I can't remember.
Money's already gone.
Oh yeah, that the money's already gone. Like it no longer has that money again. The money is gone. I feel like it is going to help a lot of people mentally, which actually makes sense because you don't have that money anymore. So, like for example, if you take a buy here, and I don't know, maybe your lot size is 10 lot. That is in currency. That's $100 that you spent. Now, and you had a stop loss of, let's say 20 pips. If it goes wrong, you're losing $2,000. Now, if you're trying to make a transaction, you want to buy something, and you spend the $2,000, you know it's already gone. Like you're not going to get, you're not thinking about getting it back. You know it's already gone. So if you have that that same mindset whenever you take a trade. Whenever you take a trade, is going to help mentally, in my own opinion. I don't think like that. I just say, okay, I'm in this position. I'm either going to win or lose. That's it. Because this industry that we're in, it's a game of probabilities. It's only two outcomes: win or lose. When you lose, it's still gonna hurt. But you don't want to be down, you don't want to be depressed simply because you took a loss. So that's why you need to have that mindset. So you don't start crying, you don't start freaking getting mad at everyone because you took a loss.
Yeah, that's something as well. It's like you don't want to carry those emotions of that you get from trading out of trading. You don't want to be like angry and then take it out on your family or friends.
Well, I've done that before.
Yeah, we all have. It's like, man, I'm having a real bad day. God damn it.
Man. I don't want to see no one. I don't want to talk to no one. Man, if you're not careful, I might even fight you. Even though you did nothing wrong. And the honest truth about emotions is when it comes to trading, your emotion is not going to go away. No matter what you do, no matter how hard you try, it's not going to completely go away. It's still going to be there. Because we're human beings. We're not freaking, even animals have emotions. As long as you're breathing, you get emotions. It's still gonna be there. You just need to control it. You pretty much need to be in control, and that's what I say. Like I've heard traders say, "Oh man, you can't be emotional. You don't want to get your emotions involved." I'd be like, "Bro, what are you talking about?" The emotions is still gonna be there, even for you. It will still be there no matter what you do. You just need to control it. That's it. You need to be in control of those emotions. It's not gonna go away. It's not going nowhere. If you're thinking your emotions is gonna go away, nah, it ain't going nowhere. It's gonna be there. My emotions was telling me, hey, get in this trade when we start breaking this out. Get in. But I know it's not my way. It's not the way I trade. It's still not my setup. So me taking it is not definitely my setup. Now, if we break above this again, this is going to be a 15-minute demand. I'll mark it up. We got 3 more minutes here, almost 3. You remember your first loss and your behavior? Very embarrassing.
DD, that's me. DD, that's me. DD, that's.
Emotions are part of us. We only need to control them. That's facts. You think you're gonna smoke weed today? That's funny. If we don't have emotions, we're gonna be Chat GPT.
Never was the one to go fake. No face, no case, no picture. For place, big stakes, my dinner. Give it up. Flip that. Canal Street. Flip back. Last week. Old money. This week. New racks. Never buy none more. If I can't afford to gift wrap. Stun in your foreign car. You keep riding rental tax. Ew. Heard you roll the other lane, we are not the same. Couple thousand in my pocket, this pocket shit. Rubber bands on my arm, this is not for play. I put 20 on the crib, while you cop a chain. I know they hated or love it. You know I love when they hate it. Last year was living basic. Haters on the other side. 3 up, read between the lines. Know I got some majors with me. Made it through some evil times.
Let's see if we're gonna get a pullback now. Once the 1 hour candle, since the 1 hour candle just closed. And let's see how we react to this 15-minute demand. If we're gonna come down and tap it, I'll come down to the 1 hour demand.
Telling me how to live like you made me. Go a dog, man, I blame you made me. Money longer than a grown-up baby. Scared crazy in new Mercedes. Thinking that's 550. 5 seats, 50 kids in there. Prawn steak on my dinner plate. Nike tag for the dinner wear. Flex up, never playing dress up. Never gonna let up. Never, ever, ever, ever. Set up, play on my fam, get wet up. Go, 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 won't let up. Never, ever, ever.
Man,
Haters on the other side. 3 up, read between the lines. Know I got some majors with me. Made it through some evil times. Late night on some demon time. Pour the Sprite, I need a line. I can't lock and see the line. Freeze time.
man, if I was up during Asian session, man, I might have taken these buys here. Man, that was a nice rejection of that 15-minute demand. You didn't trade Asian yesterday, Wa?
So I tried, but I think I gave up like somewhere in here. It was like just going sideways, so I was like, I'm done. Whatever.
Wow, man, this is crazy, boy. Just kept going up and up and up and up.
Don't care for designer, got her own drip. Don't care for the phones, got her own whip. Don't care for the scene, take her own trip. Guarantee is for a bag and she walking. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk, girl.
Tap yourself in the back if you've not taken a buy on gold today. If your reason for not jumping in is because you don't have it set up based on your strategy, tap yourself in the back. But if you FOMO buys, pretty much you took a buy and you know you shouldn't have because you didn't see your setup yet, well, don't worry. Very soon the market will teach you a lesson.
She look like a bad when she walk, girl. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk, girl. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it.
Man, oh man. No trade taking, but still took a W. Facts. Other spot is watching it fly. That's when you know you got discipline. Disciplined trader pretty much equals profitable trader. You took a sell on a 5 minute. You took the sell on the 5 minute. What was your confirmation for the sell? The confirmation is YOLO. That's funny. I'm always 4th of July. I don't even know what I'm gonna do tomorrow.
Not to, blow off your fingers with fireworks and crazy shit like that.
Oh, you say that? I shouldn't blow my hands over fireworks.
Yeah. It happens like every year in America, right? People just go crazy with fireworks and they blow their fingers off, their hands off and stuff. I remember hearing one on the news where it was like, I think it was like a football player or something like that, and he blew his fingers off with fireworks, and it's like, well, there goes your career.
That's why it's better to get those ones that you just like leave on the floor.
Oh yeah, you just like light the rope thing up.
You've had 4 wins, 1 loss. Is that this week? Yeah, that's dope.
That's nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1.
What you get is what you see. New fit, that's me. Yeah, for the green like a leaf, for the green like a reef. Don't trip, don't reach. Get rich.
Happy 4th of July, American friends.
I'm putting on my team. Money come flowing, no sink. Spring, 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 spring. Double cup, my drink.
Man, what did AI just say? He just said, lots of mac and cheese, fried chicken, greens, topped with Kool-Aid. What? Top it with Kool-Aid? God damn. What's going on there?
Steak and shrimp for me. Yeah, steak and shrimp.
Ride around my city, you should come right with me, yeah. Feel me if you hear me sip water like a fish, sip box water to the gillies, yeah. This a new wave, this a takeover. Do it for the future, time to get a world of makeover. Time never stops, no the timing is not. Time to clean up the block. Streets been a mess, hot
We on stream tomorrow for celebrations. I don't know about that one. I said if you want to hang out but not trade. Because I promise you, I ain't looking at the charts tomorrow. My computer
Man,
will be off.
sorry.
No, you're good.
I was gonna say I wasn't even gonna show up for London session because I saw like Asian session the start of it and I was like, nah, I'm done.
Man, only sellers here. Here, only sellers, only sellers. Till we don't see some buyers, the price go only up. A lot of sellers are trying to sell the resistance on the left that Abe Droid. Like the sniper entries. They are all glad.
So where was that candle that broke the high? I said 50 pips. So that was it. I think we was right here. Okay, it's moved 60 pips from there. It's moved 60 pips. We might get a pullback and we might not. And let's see. Yeah, that's that resistance I talked about earlier. Okay. If we close, pretty much close above this wick, if we close above 23.47, I do not know if we're gonna get a pullback. It might just continue. Because right now it's either we start pulling back now or we decide to just wick this previous candle high and then get a pullback. But if we close above, I know there's a 50% chance of us getting a pullback before we get to the supply. It might just continue to go. Oh, Lucian, are you on YouTube also?
What?
Dave Boy is asking you a question.
No. I don't have the YouTube open.
It said to the guy who uses the imbalance delta to what strike number setting do you use for gold imbalance? Wait a minute. He's using the footprint, right? Isn't that what it's called? Footprint chart.
Yeah, but I have the imbalance tools also. The strike is from 20 to 30 and the ratio I use the 30 for imbalance on the 5-minute charts is the best, 5 or 3, because if you use higher time frame you will not see the imbalances.
Okay. Could I repeat what I'm looking for? So right now, based on that resistance that I had earlier, we shouldn't close above pretty much 23.47, and if we do, there's a chance we're gonna continue up. But if this current candle, as long as we do not close above this wick, we should just come down from here. Tap this demand, 15-minute demand, or even the 1-hour demand, and then the bullish continuation. But if we close above, I don't know if we're gonna get a pullback. We might just continue. Pretty much 50% chance of us either getting a pullback or gold continue to the upside. 20 to 30 strike for the 5-minute time frame. Oh, talking about the imbalance stuff. You know the crazy part about gold right now? With this minor support we formed here, it didn't even tap the freaking previous resistance. It didn't even tap it. Except for this here on the 4-hour, and that's just even the week. Yep, that's the one. Oh, this one right here, that's the one it tapped. That's the one it tapped. So yeah, you gave it break and retest. Break and retest traders probably in buys right now. Okay, so we didn't close above it. All right, we're still rejecting it. Let's see what happens. We are reacting to it.
Yeah, here
There should be some sellers at that level.
here are only sellers in this candle. If this win, I think this will not hold. We'll retest this one.
Yeah,
From here only sellers. It's on the footprint. They try hard to push the price down.
Man, they need to try harder. It ain't working.
I'm telling you.
It's not payday. Check.
Sell, guys, sell. Yeah, I didn't tell you to sell. If you sell, you're on your own. No. That was an AI using my voice. That wasn't me.
Man, you better watch out. Now they're like all AI computers. They're marketing AI everything now. It's like, get ready for it. That's gonna be next level Discord scam. It's gonna be like Abe actually video calling you. You're gonna see his face and hear his voice talking to you.
Man, how do you fight that? Be like, no, it wasn't me. But you right there on camera. How do you beat that? How do you prove that wasn't you? Man.
That's gonna be crazy.
Man, that's some scary stuff. That's why, man, I don't know, man. AI, it could be used for good and bad, like, but I feel like it could be used for more bad than good. I don't know. I just need to visit the bathroom. Price stay always moves when I when I pulls the flush. We're waiting for a setup now. This is just the beginning. Imagine when AI robots attack the world. Man, it's already built right now. Sorry, I can't remember what the documentary title was on Netflix. It was pretty much about a company that builds AI robots, drones, pretty much for the military.
It's that company that has that weird walking robot, right?
Yeah, they had those too. They had like the tanks also,
Oh,
like
damn.
but they're smaller. Yeah, man.
It's gonna get so crazy.
Yeah,
You know they're gonna start to get like robot police, and then it's gonna start to get crazy because they're gonna be armed with guns eventually. It's like, oh
Mhm.
my god.
And every country is gonna do stuff like this. Like so, like man, what's the future even gonna? What's it even gonna look like? Yeah, robots fighting each other.
We will meet Robocop in person. Man, what a movie.
Man, what was this movie called again? Was it I Robot? Where you can have like a robot like guarding you. If you have the money, you can buy one. Is it I Robot? Where they all went freaking crazy except for one.
Yeah, I Robot, yeah, with Will Smith.
Yep,
Yeah,
with Will Smith. Yep,
that's it.
that was the Will Smith one. Yeah.
Will Smith had to slap the robot 'cause he mentioned his wife. It was great.
Yeah, but I think will come the time when you see the movie that this act, I don't know how it's called, but she's in love with the intelligence artificial, with the AI. He's in love and takes her everywhere with him. It will come time when the people they will meet each other with AI robots and
Man, there's a companies that sell dog robots with flamethrowers.
But,
Wow.
here in Romania we don't have this problem because we are 100 years back in time. So it's a good part also in this.
But Romania looks nice.
Yeah.
Is English the first language in Romania?
No, it's only Romanian, but a lot of people speak English.
Okay.
Because in Romania we don't have like on the movie doubling the movie like in the other country. They speak in English.
Mm.
Because in the whole Europe they will double the actor. They will speak in the country's language. For example, in Germany they speak German.
Mm-hmm.
In Spanish they speak Spanish, and when you hear the Spanish people had like they speak like this with the voice, and you will hear like Arnold Schwarzenegger.
That's funny. It's Boston Dynamics, the robot dog. Wow, please take over from me real quick. I'll be right back. I'll be right back, guys.
Transylvania, everything. Dracula from Transylvania. Man. We talking about robots and this guy's talking about Dracula.
Yeah, this is Dracula was like an invention of English, like an English writer, but we have in the past, like he's called Vlad Tepes, the Impaler.
Ah, yes, yes.
From there, the name Dracula. Vlad didn't drink blood, but he killed his opponents and his friends, like spelling him from the S, and I don't know how to say it.
Wasn't there someone who like bathes in blood? Like the blood of children, I think it was?
No, this is like a legend.
Okay.
But he was very cruel.
Are we gonna trade during NY?
I think Abe is. I'm not sure if I will though. I took a look at it and I was like, oh my god, there's like news every 15-30 minutes. What the hell?
Yeah, and then the session will finish earlier.
Yeah, and then it's a
Time.
half session. So, oh.
Is it a half? It's a half. Ah, okay, cool.
Yeah, half session.
It's tight, man. It's so tight.
Abe's off to the restroom. Here comes the volume. All right. Let's see.
Yeah, from the starting of the London session, only sellers on the market. I don't know what to say.
I'd say it's
I
purely
think
retail.
we'll go lower.
Okay.
It's not retail because on the GME you cannot trade as a retailer.
Sorry?
You need to be institution.
Oh. What's your data coming from?
From GME, Chicago Mercantile Exchange.
But if I trade on, Trade-Evate, like when I had an account there, I'm pretty sure that's where my, data is coming from.
The data, yes.
So, yeah, so if I'm buying and selling, my orders are going through there.
I don't know. It is like this. Or maybe yes.
Because I know that on the DOM, it's like when I was on Trade-Evate, I could see my orders on the DOM. So, yeah.
Your orders?
Yeah. I can if I add 6 lots, I can see the DOM will increase by 6 there.
But this is very fast. You need to have fast eyes to spot it. The DOM is very fast, changing numbers.
Oh, I mean for pending order.
Ah, the pending.
Yeah.
No, that means that the retail's order will go to GME.
Or maybe I'm wrong. Jeez, I don't know. Now I'm confused. And I saw the Dakota guy from Top Step, and the Top Step people gave him a actual live account, and during one of the Asian sessions, I don't know, maybe like 2 weeks, 3 weeks ago or whatever it was, he was trading, and there's another Top Step trader there with him who uses the DOM and footprint and all that stuff, and he could see his orders on the DOM. He's like, he was like doing like 30 lots long, 30 contracts long on NASDAQ, and then he had his like TP at like 20,000, and like the guy was saying, yeah, your order's sitting right there. You're pretty much the only large order on the whole, on the whole DOM. So he was telling him to break up his orders into smaller lots, otherwise it's probably not going to fill, but it went straight up there and filled them.
Makes sense, because usually when the price need to go down, you need to see big buying order, and then the price go down, because the retailer trap here, and down then you need to see big selling order, and then the price will go up. Now we are big selling order here, only sellers, but the price stay here. So didn't make sense. Only likely maybe these are retailer, and the banks absorb the sellers, and then the price will go up.
Well,
because if the bank move the market and are only sellers here, then normal the price need to go down, but didn't go down.
I'm still here, guys. I'm just gonna eat real quick. I'm hungry. Well, you're still in control.
all right.
Over to you,
Oh.
Iwo.
Thank you, bye. Well, gold just attempted to make a break lower, and it's not happening. It's pulling straight back into that tiny little range. So, man, if it breaks higher, it's all over. It's gone. It's gonna push.
Yeah.
If it breaks higher, this will be our demand, because there are a lot of order here.
You think it holds for buys or close? Currently in buy. Man, what's your plan? Where did you buy from? It's like so vague, your question.
If you buy from
Like-
here, your
go
safe
ahead.
stop loss is below here.
Yeah, if you FOMO buy, get out.
Makes sense the buys, but wait for the retracement and then buy.
Yeah.
Because we have a lot of sellers here, so we can see a push to stop loss, but normal on the 5 minute we have two big buyers, big buy imbalances, like in here on the 5 minute, and we reacted to this one. We didn't manage to break it. From that I observe it, like when we have an accumulation here on the 5 or on the 3, on the 50 minute, you cannot see it on the footprints. You need to have buys, and then break and close. The price go down. And when you want to buy, you need to have sell imbalances, and then you take the break of these sellers because these give up. He managed to protect his position.
Bought
if we
at
can- if we-
23.45. Sorry.
No, I was just going to say, if we can just tap that 42, that 15-minute demand,
Yeah,
that'd be good.
I know I don't like this selling because there are only sellers here.
Yeah.
You come back, and if you break this, you go up. If here were a lot of buyers, then I didn't like the price, because that means buyers price gone down. Usually, sometimes it's not like this, but like 70-80% of the time you will see this pattern form.
Bought at 23.45. Well, looks like it's reattempting to break the low, so I think it's coming down, probably to the demand. So you could get out if you want. It's kind of weird, you know, you should have, you know, your set plan in place. And also, where's your stop loss, you know?
And if you look at the volume profile, the point of control is here in this demand, so it's nice.
So if you have a wide stop loss, and you know, you didn't over leverage, I wouldn't mind just holding it.
And we have another point of control here. This is a lot bigger, not for much, but it's like the same.
Oh, Anton's in the chat.
Yeah.
You bought at 23.45. Okay. For me, I would need to have my stop loss at like 23.37. 0.5, you know, just below that last area, that just below the previous demand. Yeah.
At least here.
Yeah. Around there. If you want to hold it.
Yeah. And starting with a small position and adding here something.
Yeah.
Because you're buying the high. If you go full lot, it's dangerous. It's better to buy a small, here a small one, or after the rejection you add the position. But if it's a bullish trend, we break these sellers that are here. It would be nice to see these sellers a break, big buying order here. That means buyers are trapped, and then the price will go down. Retest, our TP will be the buyers to go out of the trade.
Now, if I was personally in this 23.45 trade, I'd move my stop loss right now to the bottom of that wick.
You have a safest place on the 5 minute. You have imbalances like a 5 minute demand. I'll put below there because you can retest this and then break on the 5 minute. After the big candle, it's a 5 minute, like a 5 minute demand.
Okay. 5 minutes.
Below this because it's two imbalances there that can protect you.
I see it.
It's like a doji candle. The 5.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, this one. Here is that.
Yeah.
Because you can, here you have an imbalance and can protect your order.
Well, if it gets that low, Personally, I'd just, I'd re-enter at a lower price.
Yeah, or something like this. I don't know why it's so hard for people, for me also, to close the trade and re-enter, or close the trade. I don't know why I'm married to the trade, and hopefully we go close and buy lower.
Yeah, I've noticed there's something psychologically about if I'm
Yeah.
in a trade, then it's easier for me to add into the trade.
Of course.
But if
For
I'm
me
not
also.
in the trade, I'm like trying very hard to sniper, like just get the perfect entry. It's like it has to be the perfect entry. But if I'm already in the little piece, then I'm like, okay, I'll just add a little bit here and a little bit there, and all right, I'm done.
Yeah, it's easier, but
Man, it's like last night I was so tempted to enter that buy when it tapped the lower demand at around 20, 23, 24. Just stopped us out. And I thought, oh, fuck, it stopped us out right on the 30-minute demand. So is it worth another go? But it was so late. I was like, I'll take my loss and move on.
Yeah. And it stayed down there for quite a while, like
Yeah, that's
2
what I didn't
hours.
like. That's what I didn't like. Yeah, I thought it could go. I thought it actually could keep going down at one
Yeah.
stage, but it was fucked up. Whatever. It was just horrible yesterday.
And so they basically stopped everyone out, tricked sellers in, and just basically went dead until all the traders are gone. And then, okay, it's time to go up now. Everyone's gone. Everyone's given up.
yeah, for me this was not a losing trade because I put my stop loss below the. I saw a very big imbalance, and this will save my trade and got out like 30 pips.
Oh, where was your stop loss?
I don't see on the paper screen. But
What number was it roughly?
I will send my chart to see the big imbalance when I put below the stop loss, like 23.20. No, below the pin. 23.19. Because there was like below the was like 100 on pips.
Oh, okay. Your stop loss was all the way down there.
Yeah, but I will send a picture to see what I mean.
You bought but got shaken out. Killed the beat, fucking toilet paper hands. The moment he sweats, it just crumbles.
Weak hands. Will choose violence. Man, Anton with a joke. I go to Transylvania. Talks about Congo. What's all this? All these places. Pray for Congo.
And the thing is, no one brings anything up, and he just mentions these random things. It's like, who's he talking to?
I know. They're talking to himself.
After all these losses in trading, some commentary on YouTube can do nothing to.
don't sit and worry about who's on. Back in my bag, there's a new on. Kettle on my wrist, it's a two-tone. Direct flight out to London. Then might slide out to Lisbon. Crossing borders, getting my stamps up. Travel light, everybody can come.
Right. Time to come down, gold.
Show what you see. Never no cap in my rap. When I rap on the track, got me feeling like I'm in the league. Ease. I'm in my element. Don't care about relevance. I'm doing me. I'm in my element. We the new delegate. Tapping and see. I'm in my element. Back in my element. 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 I'm in my element. This is easy as a layup. I don't show if you don't pay up. Long nights had to stay up. Put in hours while you later. I can sit around and wait up. I'm gonna have to see you later. Giving tips like a waiter. Even tell them all you fade on. I'm in my element. Back in my element. 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 I'm in my element. Don't care about relevance. I'm doing me. I'm in my element. We the new delegate. Tapping and see.
Okay, if you look on Discord, this is the 5-minute chart because I don't see imbalances on M5. I can see it on higher time frame, but it's not relevant. We see our trade, and up we had a big sell with red. It's selling imbalances, with blue, with green is buying the balances. The more bigger is the dot, the stronger the imbalances is. We see our trade, we hit these imbalances and go down and hit TP. And on the left, imbalance, a lot of imbalances there. This was the safest stop loss. And then in this rotation, only buyers buying imbalances, and then the price dropped.
Okay, I see
The
it.
price will react on every imbalances because they need to go there and retest, because imbalances means just one side of a market, buyers or sellers. The price need to go and
That was a big stop loss for you, though. Big stop loss.
Yeah, but the risk was not so big because I entered with half risk, and then with this was like full risk with this stop loss.
Okay, nice.
And you see where my stop loss was on this 5 minute below is a red dot. This was selling imbalances. This was like trap sellers. Then the price go up.
$23.10. No way. Would it drop that far first?
No, 0.310. My God, you're dreaming,
Surely
man.
not.
Oh, maybe on NFP day or something crazy.
Yeah.
Today, not a
think-
chance in hell.
I think you've got to see 23.56 for, you know, that all those highs first, and then
Man, I'm not trading New York. I'm fucking done.
Nah, if we get a nice W in London, I'll sit and watch.
Yeah. I already got my W. I just took that sell when I said it's coming down.
Yeah, I knew you would.
You might have even heard my keyboard. I was like, click, click. Okay. That's my verbal hint to people. It's like, man, this thing's coming down. That means, uh-oh, I'm probably going to sell that.
I respect it. There's just nothing there for me to sell. Just for me, anyway, for my...
I agree. There's no zone in particular that it's rejecting.
Yeah, but was a lot of sellers in the market. And
I basically just saw the break and retest on the tick chart. It's like, okay, it broke the low, came back, rebroke it. Okay, I'm in.
And this is how the chart looks now for me. With the 5-minute demand with the imbalance where we can react. If you want to put stop loss.
Oh, man, that is a big ass dot. That's the biggest dot I've seen on your chart. Why is it so big? Jesus.
Because it's like, I told you right now. Because it's almost 300 more sellers in this tick than buyers.
Okay. Oh no, go back down, you bastard. Oh, there's my runner gone. All right.
We react on all this. I don't like when we react, so in every imbalance we react, the buyers are very strong.
Love in the celly go ring. 2 iPhones on me. I'm booking plays all week. I don't do skins on skins. Next year, chain for my team. Keep a couple blues in my jeans. Keep a couple cars, no leans. Had to kick the cup, no fee. I could never take a hand out. I could never leave my man down. Yeah, stand out. Plan A, this is planned out. Been smooth like grease. Been smooth John T. Neighborhood, that's who. Nicholas, that's me. Been real to the T. I never lie through my teeth. Why? What you get is what you see. Why? New fit, that's neat. Yeah, for the green like a leaf. For the green like a
Sorry. I sold 2 in and out. Looking to get the SLs of the break and retest traders. You mean the break and retest traders who sold it or bought it?
And now if you look on the footprint charts that I send you on Discord, you will see that these things you will not see on the real candle. You see where we reacted. In these 5 minutes were 2 imbalances. And we tap this,
yep.
go out. Reacted. And below you see all the red bars. This means only sellers in this above rotation, accumulation, or how it's called. You don't see these things on real candle.
That's an imbalance of buying pressure or selling pressure on those two.
Selling.
Okay. So those are the sellers that got, that lost the battle.
These sellers, you can be break even, close the position, because they sell here, the price go up, and then when come back, they close the position. This is the reaction. No, what's happening? Ah, we start to see the buyers. So that means the price can go down.
Matic was filling out an application the other day, and I clicked on gender, and there was like a million options. Come on, Matic, don't you want to be inclusive? Why are you so rude? Don't you know there's male, female? It, they, them.
There's only male and female.
Dog, cat, I don't know. Fucking non-binary, binary. I don't know. There's a bunch.
Never know these days.
I'm full. I can see.
This generation is cooked indeed.
I can see clearly now.
Oh, but that reminds me. I think I do recall I filled out some form, online form, like maybe a month or two ago, and it did have more than two things. It was like, do you want to be? Are you like a Mr., Mrs.? And then there's like some extra options in there, and I'm like, the fuck are these about?
King.
Yeah.
Can I slice? Do we have a 5-minute demand where if you click on a 5-minute, I'm sure there's a doji candle that made a
Yeah, we do.
a demand that it just tapped.
Mm-hmm. This one.
Yeah, that's the one. Yeah. Would you consider using that?
Nope.
Yeah.
Abe did say he's not using the lower time frames, only the higher time frames.
I could take
But we can
it.
take entries on 5 minutes.
Yes.
Initiating FOMO protocol. I'm gonna look at 30 seconds.
If we tap the 15-minute demand, we can take entries on it. Now, so this is the 15-minute demand. Now, if we now decide to tap the 5-minute demand, I will still take it because technically we're still in the inside the 15-minute demand. Especially when the 5-minute demand is just this freaking good. Let's take a look at futures.
Yeah, it's more about.
Go ahead.
Yeah, it's more about avoiding the 5-minute, 3-minute demands that are by themselves in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, pretty much.
There's a 5-minute DBD. Drop base drop.
Yeah, I think that's what he's saying.
It's like a
I don't
rally
know.
based rally.
Yeah, I don't
But that
know.
doesn't make
It's a
sense.
demand. It's a demand.
There's
But
no
it's not
drop-based
strong.
drop.
He's probably talking about this. Oh, we come back to this resistance form. So do this.
But this is not demand.
That's
Is not,
what he's talking about. Do this.
Uh,
I don't know if that's what it's saying. I'm just trying to help him out. I don't know.
more like the exact opposite. This is like a rally, base, rally, base, rally kind of thing happening.
June 24th, DBD.
Now I don't know what he's talking about at all.
Yep, I'm lost too now.
Yeah, no idea.
This is some futures AI stuff. We are too far from this type of strategies.
What's DBD stand for?
I thought it was drop-based drop.
A Romanian movie, DBD.
DBD, a Romanian movie.
Oh, Lucian, have you heard of vector candles? Some person on YouTube mentioned it the other day.
Vector candles?
Yeah.
I don't hear nothing. I remember
Okay.
in school, like in physics, vector move like.
Oh, yeah. That means
said-
vectors.
He said I don't
Man, if
hear
Lucian
nothing.
doesn't know, nah,
Yeah,
you
not
got
worth
too
knowing.
far.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
study all the YouTube more than my school, and
Yeah.
I don't hear like vector candle. It's like a made up name for who knows, like a dojo or cliche. Maybe Victor candle.
You said Victor.
If Lucian doesn't know, then because Lucian's the guy.
And did you hear some of the amazing trading view stuff that Lucian taught us the other day, Abe? I'm not sure if you were there when he said it.
What did he say?
It's like you can like grab the your demand supply and demand box, and you can just hold the control button and you just grab it with your mouse and you just drag it and it'll create a duplicate.
Wait, so
Hold control
Hold control
and
and just
drag.
grab it. Drag.
hold control.
Hold control and then drag the shape. No, from here, no from the dots. Between the dots.
Oh, here?
Control, not the dots. Between the dots. Not on the dot.
Between
On the shape.
Yeah, look
Oh,
there.
right here?
Here, doesn't matter.
Okay.
Control
Uh-huh.
and move it up.
You gotta be
It's
kidding
cloning.
me.
He's a wizard. He knows it all.
Let move up. Let it like this. Let it like this.
Uh-huh.
And then push the scroll button here
Screw-
from the mouse. Scroll button. Push it. No, scroll button. Push the scroll button. You have like a click on the scroll button, and we'll delete the shape.
Oh, wait, what's
No, without
lost.
control. Without control.
Yeah.
Only the scroll button.
Yeah, that's what I
we'll
did.
delete.
I don't know.
And you don't delete.
It works.
It will
It
delete the
deletes it.
shape. Yeah, if put
So
the
what-
scroll, it will delete the shape.
Scroll button were on my keyboard?
On your
No,
mouse.
no, your
on
mouse.
the mouse. You don't have a scroll button on the mouse.
A button?
No, you see the thing
You know the scroll wheel?
Yeah.
wheel
Uh-huh.
press it.
That's what I'm.
Don't scroll.
No,
just
without
tap it.
control.
Yeah, so
without
don't
control.
scroll it. Push it down. Like some mouses, like most mouses, you can push the scroll wheel down, and it's actually a button.
Okay, so
Yeah,
I
so
I click
yeah.
on this,
Yep,
and
and then press the
No,
scroll
no,
wheel.
no,
On the line, you tap the scroll wheel.
on the line without control, without nothing, only the scroll button.
man, it's not working. I'm
Yeah, it's
I'm
working, but
I'm pushing my scroll button. It's not.
Not
Push it
there.
line.
on the
You know
line.
when you yeah,
Now,
there.
now
Now push it.
Okay. Push
Okay.
it there.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh,
Wow. Man.
oh man.
I didn't know you could even do all that. You starting to think DJ will never calm down?
It'll never come down. Not until Japan finally crushes the market, which who knows when they'll ever do that.
Yeah, they will take out some news like in the middle of the night, but they didn't want to manipulate, and then they apologized like the last time. Yeah, they said we sorry, we heard a lot of traders lose their account, but this one not the meant for the news, and the news was like a fake news. And GJ pushed them like 600 pips.
Oh damn.
Yeah, I lose my account in these days.
Some dude on YouTube said he was like shorting USD JPY yesterday, and I was telling him, don't do it, it's risky. It's like, I'm looking at it now. It's like, yep, new highs. Every JPY pair is only going to make new highs.
Yeah. Now when you go with British pound in Japan, you have like 30% more money.
You learned something today?
And another hack on TradingView, if you like to use the trend line and you cannot do a straight line, you just press the shift and drag it will be like a straight line every time on the triangle, on the how it's called, trend line.
You press what? You press shift?
Yeah, take the trend line, and if you want to make a straight line, just press shift and it will be a straight line every time with the trend line. No, with the trend line.
Trend line tool.
Trend line tool. Yes, this. Try to make a shape, yeah, a straight line, and press the shift now. Or like horizontal, or like a horizontal.
Oh.
It will be like, every time it will be a straight shape. Yeah.
Wow. Man, who taught you all this?
You can find it on trading. You can. I like to use shortcuts.
Oh man. So first we just know TradingView analysis.
Wow.
That's it. Boom.
And then click and it will be like straight line. because sometimes it's like you want to drag, you need to look at the 1 break to, but to press shift and will be right.
Yeah, I don't know any shortcut on trading.
What you do now?
Yep, what I do now.
Wow.
Wake up, make the money, that's a man's role. Loyalty and love is what I stand for. Can't forget about trust, but first, please fill my cup. Am I really asking for much? It's been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill
That 5-minute demand still holding.
I'm just looking for a good time.
It's just still holding.
And I'm singing like, it's the weekend, we've been working. I'll be posted by your side. Bring my boys in.
I don't know if we're gonna do what do you call it today? LY session today because I'm just looking at the news right earlier. Got one at
Crazy.
7:15. Pretty much between 7 and 8 you get 2 news in the first 1 hour. And then you got PMI at 9 and then
FOMC on the
just
closing.
cancel. And then you got FOMC. I'm just gonna skip NY today. And then probably tomorrow we might have a webinar, the one we didn't do last week Saturday. Might do one tomorrow. Keep you guys posted.
I keep finding myself in these dark rooms and I don't know how to get out now that I'm not with you. Again and again, yeah, again and again, another friend, another friend of a friend. Again and again, yeah, again and again. I can't even see the bottom. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Baby, you're my biggest problem. Even when the Silverado not starting, then it's early in the morning.
When the market tries to fake out, you know me, son, I'm rolling. Today is for your confirmation. Oh, you mean you're willing to wait for days? How many people did you catch in the sale you took, bro? 20?
Oh, this sell?
Mm-hmm.
No, I didn't get 20. Let me see. Okay, so I secured here. So secured at 16, then runner got stopped out for like 5 pips.
Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Baby, you're my biggest problem. Even when the Silverado not starting, then it's early in the morning, baby, it's still better than you. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Heartless. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Heartless. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Baby, you're my biggest problem. Even when the Silverado not starting, then it's early in the morning, baby, it's still better than you. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Heartless. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Heartless. Again and again.
Ready.
If you look on this code, on the picture with the 5-minute chart that I sent you with the big red dot, you will see it's hard to break this. Rejecting, we just type in another one and now we reject this big bearish imbalance.
Oh, the previous picture?
Yeah, with the
yeah.
MetaTrader, we see where is
Yeah.
on the 5-minute, and we struggle to break. Now we reject this one.
Oh yeah, lines up real good. Whose trade is that? I can't see nothing.
You can't.
Yeah, that picture that person posted of his trade is like, can't see nothing in there.
I think that was Nas. That's Nas.
I am number one, not number two. If I'm not the one, I'm uncomfortable. See the competition I've been running through. Leveled up, I only see him in my rear view. Yeah, I'm ballin', yeah, I'm all in, been ballin'. Yeah, I'm all in, yeah, I'm all in, been ballin'. I'm winning, get buckets from the court side to the nosebleeds, yeah, they love it. I'm winning, get buckets from the first in and the last out, see me coming. First take, I'm hotter than hot, hotter than some boiling water, I bubble the pot. Team full of ballers, baby, we winning a lot. I'm like Curry with the rock when I get to my spot. I'm tapping in, I'm passionate, this is what passion is. This here, nah, this is no accident. From the start to the finish, I'm cashing in. I am number one, not number two. If I'm not the one, I'm uncomfortable. See the competition I've been running through. Leveled up, I only see him in my rear view. Yeah, I'm ballin', yeah, I'm all in, been ballin'. Yeah, I'm all in, yeah, I'm all in, been ballin'. I'm winning, get buckets from the court side to the nosebleeds, yeah, they love it. I'm winning, get buckets from the first in and the last out, see me coming. Been poppin', sports center from a little I was watching. Spin a bag like I'm Rafa, call that top spin. How could I not win? This is top 10. From the bottom, gotta sniff out the top wins. I sit back, reflect, and do it again. Hardest milli is the first, now we got 10. Talking 10, 10, 10, 10 times 10 and again. I am number one, not number two. If I'm not the one, I'm uncomfortable. See the competition I've been running through. Leveled up, I only see him in my rear view. Yeah, I'm ballin', yeah, I'm all in, been ballin'. Yeah, I'm all in, yeah, I'm all in, been ballin'. I'm winning, get buckets from the court side to the nosebleeds, yeah, they love it. I'm winning, get buckets from the first in and the last out, see me coming. element. I'm in my element. Back in my element. I'm in my element. Back in my element. I'm in my element. Back in my element. I'm in my element. Don't care about relevance. I'm doing me. I'm in my element. We the new delegate. Tapping and see. I don't sit and worry about who's on. Back in my bag, there's a new on. Kettle on my wrist, it's a two-tone. Direct flight out to London. Then might slide out to Lisbon. Crossing borders, getting my stamps up. Travel light, everybody can come. Lay low, I don't want attention. Only show what you see. Never no cap in my rap. When I rap on the track, got me feeling like I'm in the league. Ease. I'm in my element. Don't care about relevance. I'm doing me. I'm in my element. We the new delegate. Tapping and see. I'm in my element. Back in my element. 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 I'm in my. This is easy as a layup. I don't show if you don't pay up. Long nights had to stay up. Put in hours while you later. I can sit around and wait up. I'm gonna have to see you later. Giving tips like a waiter. Either tell them or you fade them. I'm in my element. Back in my element. 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 I'm in my element. Don't care about relevance. I'm doing me. I'm in my element. We the new delegate. Tapping and see. Okay. First in the last out. Never tried to go the fast route. Marathon, not a race. Putting hours in, I cash out. Game time been lit. Been the man, been him. In the box like 9-9. Got pinstripes on my skin. Okay, go mamba all in my zone. When the wind going home. Hear it all in my tone. Worked hard for this throne. You know I'm never lazy. Not to face me. See me win, but those L's made me. Hear him talk, let him talk. All the ghosts have been called crazy. Lights on, I'm on. Lights on, I'm on. Love the pressure, I can't let up. Keep my head up, I can't let up. You know I can't stand still. Sticking to the plan still. No bots on my fans real. Stay true on the man still. Losses got you bent up. All that anger pent up. See you in my inbox, but everybody can't come. I worked hard for this, putting hours, got scars from this. No sleep, I just toss and turn, thinking about how hard it get. I've been chilling with my family now. You've been chilling with the party is. Putting reps cause they call my bluff. Got one shot to get all these dubs. Lights on, I'm on.
Crazy.
Lights on. I'm on. Love the pressure, I can't let up. Keep my head up, I can't let up. Lights on, I'm on. Lights on, I'm on. Love the pressure, I can't let up. Keep my head up, I can't let up.
We will be rewarded for this patience. I have no doubt.
We'll see.
And this thing's coming down, but I'm not gonna sell it. Just want to put it out there.
Oh man, that's the signal. Oh man, this thing's coming down, and I'm getting out with profit.
Should have re-entered the runner stop out. Oh, yeah, I could have.
It's those soft hands.
Yep.
Toilet paper. All right, come on, tap it. Let's see the reaction.
This week is kind of going fast, isn't it?
Yeah. Not many trading opportunities for us this week.
Yeah. If we tap it yet in futures. No. You're using Trading View for your Apex wall.
No, I was using Trade-Evade, but then I switched to NinjaTrader, which I kind of regret because yesterday it was fucking acting up and I couldn't fucking close my trade and I had to go to Trade-Evade to fucking close it.
Wait, you can use any of them. You can either use TraderVate, Ninja Trader, or what's the other one? With they make a
Trading
word?
View. Trading View?
Remake is for
Trading View.
connection with the Ninja Trader.
Oh, okay.
Oh no, so there's the Rhythmic plan for Apex and then there's the Trade-Evade plan. I got the Trade-Evade plan. But they allow you to use NinjaTrader still.
Oh,
Yeah. If you take the rhythmic plan, it will not work only with Ninja. Ninja and Quantao.
oh, okay.
It's cheaper.
Because I don't think with Trading View you can like drag your stop loss and TP and all that.
I'm pretty sure you can, right, Lucian?
On Forex you can.
But not on future.
I don't know.
Okay.
On futures, no, I think you need to put manual orders.
Yeah, because I remember trying it when I was using Trading View with Top Step.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Couldn't drag it.
Because I remember I've used it with Forex because I used that on the
With
Pepperstone
Forex.
broker.
With Forex,
And then I
work.
could do it.
Yeah, me too. I used it with Forex.com, and yeah, you can drag it with Forex. Man, my eyes are getting smaller and smaller and smaller.
This is a good sign. Small volume on the demand, you'll see the rejection.
Alright, we tapped it. Let's see what happens here.
Yeah, full margin means short life. Full margin every time 2 years will be dead.
Wolves the bad influence, man. He's like, do it, do it.
No, I didn't say that.
This is for YouTube fans.
Do it.
Beat's here, so I don't need to take over for him.
Yeah.
There's no way I'm doing this.
Is that entry?
No, it's not.
It could have been.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
It could have been not with this
Yeah.
candle flipping. Gotta wait for it to close now. Gotta wait for it to close. No, Passion, that's my chair hitting the wall.
Just me lately, I don't need a lot. Yeah. I've been to myself, just me lately, I don't need a lot. No. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing, I don't speak a lot. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't
This
stop.
candle closes in 3 minutes now.
No chain rocker, make my business, work my business, count them digits, earn them winnings. I see you in my review and you been trying. Said you out here doing numbers, but you been lying. And you know my little baby been fine. In the crib, bet she do it for the 9-9. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. No. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. I don't gotta say too much. My bros know the deal, they think I play too much. Never miss a miss, yeah, I've been scraping up. Life been moving faster, you should pray for us. Just got a text a wire hit. I don't need designer fits, but I like how designer fit. LV with the Prada mix. This is not a mannequin. You see what I'm standing in. Don't care who I'm standing with. Cause I'ma be me all day. I'ma be me all day. And you can't get in my way. You can't get in my way. I'ma be me all day. I'ma be me all day. And you can't get in my way. Yeah.
can't stop. And I can't stop.
There's, there's a 10-minute demand that it seems to have rejected of. You're 2% away from passing your challenge, and the urge to FOMO has never been this strong. Time for some push-ups. If we get this entry, we're looking at 50. What the hell? Is it not clicking? We're looking at 50 pips. If we close bearish and tap on it to the demand again, is it okay to lower the entry to the bottom of the candle instead? No, I'm gonna keep the same. Uh-huh. Am I in? The screen tells you if I'm in or not. Everything you need to know is on the screen.
I fucking love it. You literally just typed it out, and there comes the question.
It was not there when you asked. Okay. Might be right.
Four turns of 8. Sleep and get paid. Rich when I wake. I bet the bank. I set the pace. Guess what I make? That's what I make. Counting pockets, that's a trending topic. You got this and you got that, but got no spending options. I keep quiet, but still getting rocking. I keep quiet with it in my pocket. I keep quiet, moving stuff for silent. Double up, double up. The money I color up. God been blessing me. You think you been testing me? Don't mean lemons, watch lemon squeeze. Pieces been my recipe. You buy watch and bust them down. Mine is my investment piece. Heard your mixes drowning out. You need to call Trevor, please. I don't fold, I don't fear. Pearly whites, no veneers. Keep it clean. Check it.
I need a toilet so bad.
Take your phone with you.
I've done that before, and David got an eyeful.
Order filled.
Oh, everybody in? hell? Can't seem to freaking be able to put this in the right spot. Okay, there we go. So big.
I'm on top. See the guap, get the guap, that's a lot. Hit the gas, need no brakes, I don't stop. Yeah, yeah. Oh my God. At the top, see the top, I'm on top. See the guap, get the guap, that's a lot. Hit the gas, need no brakes, I don't stop. Yeah. Oh my God.
Well, what am I supposed to do here to get one? Limit sale, right?
Yep.
Let's look at that. Pretty much right.
And if you want to move the buy sell tools without changing the entry point, just click on it, and then with the keyboard left and right it will move left and right without changing the entry point on this tool.
Oh. Oh man, I still got this right here that says nothing yet. Shit. My bad.
Yeah, we have a zero order just on the top of the wick, just the last tick. So we need to repair that. No zero orders on the footprints.
None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on hold. None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on gold. Cash is digital, digital, digital. The dash is digital, go, go, go. Digital, 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 digital. The cash is digital, digital. The dash is digital, run it up. Digital, 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 digital. Stepping like Marty McFly, stepping I feel like the guy. I got them looking like why. I never doubted me why. I never doubted my guys. You know you in it for win. I stand on 10, you on 10. I don't have friends of a friend, only the fan of the kin. Only my wife and my kids, that's all I needed to win. Now I only trust my true friends. Had to cut off my loose ends. You know I win if you win. You know you win if I win. I swipe that cash, don't fold. I swipe my bank on gold. Don't think that I've been dumb. I spend like I've been broke. None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on hold. None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on gold. Cash is digital, digital, digital. The dash is digital, go, go, go. Digital, 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 digital. The cash is digital, digital. The dash is digital, run it up. Digital, 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 digital. Living my truth, no tricks. I'm trying to feed my kids. I'm trying to keep my way. I'm trying to live my life while we get rich. Mind my biz. Money gon' come, some go. Man, if you know, you know. I've been through highs and lows. Here for the ride, I go. Slide and roll. Up and down, but I get up. The numbers crunching, no sit-ups. I grew up and got dripped up. Purple label, my get up. That's 101, not a one and done. Month to month, and there's more to come. I told Cushy, let's run it up. Now it's millions on millions. None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on hold. None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on gold. Cash is digital, digital, digital. The dash is digital, go, go, go. Digital, 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 digital. The cash is digital, digital. The dash is digital, run it up. Digital, 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 digital. Money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain, make it pour. I count money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain, make it pour. In my house, don't need no floor. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the. It's just me and the fam. Yeah, yeah. It's just me and the fam. See my little Tay-Tay, that's my hype girl, that's my mascot. Little ones go for hours and some hours till we pass out. Stay inside the house, turned up with them racks out. Stay inside the house, turned up with the racks out. Wow. If I got it, they got it, got it. Family strong, they solid, solid. For them empty my pockets. If I got it, we got it, got it. Foundation been solid, solid. Taking off like a rocket, yeah. I count money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain, make it pour. In my house, don't need no tour. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me
I
and
think
the
we're gonna have a sleep TP.
yeah, yeah. It's just me and the fam. Yeah, I love you too. Yeah, I love you too. I love you too. Family so lit, they say we should make a YouTube, but we don't do that.
Order filled.
There we go. Beautiful.
When I'm bored,
20 pips done.
hit the floor, make it
Of course, man.
pour in my
Let's see.
One
if
for
we
the
get
king,
it
one for the
1-1.
community. Woohoo!
Yeah.
I put my stops on 20 pips. We have good bullish momentum. If we carry on, it's good. Nah, I got stepped out. On 20 pips. Thanks, King.
Oh, you got stepped out already? Damn.
The only thing that I don't like is now we have a lot of buyers here entering to the market.
Of course, breakout.
Breakout trader.
Quicker trader, yeah. Let's see if they have the strength to push the price up. But for the first TP was enough. Thank you, buyers. Thank you, King. Yeah.
Oh, this kind of wants to flip, huh?
Yep.
I don't know why. Every bullish move will end with the big buyers on the top, and the selling move will end with the big sellers on the top, on the bottom.
I think it's the 1 hour. The 1 hour is
Yeah.
now and then.
This also, but
Yeah.
The hell?
Order filled.
Alright. Alrighty. Oh. So Zoom, don't think we're gonna do our session today. And tomorrow, tomorrow. I'll keep you guys posted. Maybe we'll have a webinar tomorrow.
Tomorrow there's no London session?
Huh?
London session?
Nah, it's freaking July 4th. Nah.
It's a holiday.
The closing, and the market closes early today, so you don't want to mess with anything tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, we had a nice win today. Let's celebrate. Let's celebrate together.
All right, YouTube. Thank you guys. I appreciate you all. I'll see you guys on Friday. All my links is down below in the description. All right, guys. Join the Discord. Follow me on Instagram. Join the mentorship if you want. If you don't, so fine and dandy. So I'll see you guys on Friday, guys. I guess if you're in America, have a great July 4th tomorrow. And if you're in the rest of the world, well, celebrate with us. See you guys on Friday.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Awesome. See you guys on Friday. Philly will see you during the webinar tomorrow also.
All right. Thanks, King.
Thanks, Abe.
You're welcome, guys.
Don't care for designer, got her own drip. Don't care for the phones, got her own whip. Don't care for the scenes, take her own trip. Guarantee is for a bag and she walking. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Sweet Jesus, I just up the price for the features. I can see the fakes and the leeches. I begin to assist a fetus. Pull up at the spot, tire squeal. Got her in my passenger, I told her grab the wheel. Friends hating, told her get out, Jordan Peele. But she rocks with me cause she real, for real. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Yeah. I got on me right now. Strong point, did it. Pull up. We gon' do that. Pull up. Say pull up. Run it back. Say pull up. Say pull up. Say pull up. Say pull up. Yeah. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Yeah. We get to it, got it stocked up. Popped up, got her hand all rocked up. Like 1 carat, 2 carat, more carats. She look carrots like a bunny, got her hops up. Don't care for designer, got her own drip. Don't care for the phones, got her own whip. Don't care for the scenes, take her own trip. Guarantee is for a bag and she walking. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Sweet Jesus, I just up the price for the features. I can see the fakes and the leeches. I begin to assist a fetus. Pull up at the spot, tire squeal. Got her in my passenger, I told her grab the wheel. Friends hating, told her get out, Jordan Peele. But she rocks with me cause she real, for real. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it.